Most people are using AI like it's a friend. They chat with it, they throw in a prompt, wait for magic, then complain when it sounds generic. That's not how this works. AI is not a conversation partner, it is infrastructure. If you treat AI like conversation, you get randomness. If you treat AI like architecture, you get consistency. Architecture means structure, identity, constraints, standards, defined outputs. No serious operator builds a system without design. Why are you doing that with AI? When you chat with AI, every session starts from zero. No memory, no structure, no alignment. It guesses, and you correct it over and over and over again. That's amateur usage. Professionals install systems. They define who the system represents, what it's allowed to say, what it's not allowed to say, how outputs must be structured, what success looks like. That's architecture. And once architecture is in place, output quality jumps immediately, not gradually, immediately. Stop chatting, start configuring, stop hoping, start designing. The moment you shift from conversation to architecture, AI stops being a toy and becomes leverage. That mindset shift alone changes everything. Next, we configure it properly.